Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram link from Facebook. So first of all, just go ahead and open up your Facebook app, and after you log in with your account, click on your menu at the below right corner. And what you're going to do next, you're going to just click on your profile icon at the top left, and as you can see right here, this is your profile. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click right here, edit profile, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see right here the links. Click on edit right here, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here the links for social. And if you want to delete a social media like Instagram or any other platform, you can just see right here Twitter, Threads, Snapchat, and all that, and you'll be able to see something like the Spotify that I just added. Click on remove, and as you can see, we removed the platform right away. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.